Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today let's see how to make a hotel style sagu, which is a great combination for chapati, roti, especially for poori. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any notifications. To prepare the sagu, I'm taking 2 tablespoons of oil. Once it is hot, add 1/4 teaspoon mustard. Once the mustard seed splutters, add 1 finely diced onion, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon cumin seeds. Once the onions are little bit soft, add 1 cup green peas, 1 cup finely diced carrot, 1 cup beans. You can add any vegetable of your choice. Mix it well. Now cook for a minute or 2. Now add 1 cup of potato. Mix it well and cook it in the oil for 2 minutes. For grinding, in a different pan, I am taking 1 tablespoon of oil. Add 2 cardamom, 3 cloves, 2-inch cinnamon stick. Let it turn aromatic and keep stirring the vegetables once in a while. Otherwise, it will stick to the bottom of the pan. Now add 4 red chilies, 2-inch ginger and roast it in low to medium flame until the raw smell of the ginger goes away. For this, add half tomato and half onion, 1/4 cup of roasted split chickpeas. Any grinding, if you roast and grind, the flavor enhances. For this, add 1 cup of grated coconut and turn off the flame. The temperature of the pan is sufficient to roast this. Add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. Nice aroma is coming. Add 2 tablespoons of mint and half cup of coriander leaves. Roast it and let it cool down. Our vegetables are almost 50% cooked. Now add 20 curry leaves, 2 finely diced tomatoes, salt to taste and mix everything well. It is a very healthy recipe. Kids will love it as it's tasty and healthy. Now add half cup of water, transfer to the mixie jar and make a fine paste. Add the masala paste to the vegetables. Add half cup of water to the mixie jar, 1 cup of water to mixie jar and transfer to the vegetable mixture. The coconut and the roasted chickpeas will make the sagu thick once it cools down. So add the water based on what thickness you need and make sure salt and spice level are perfect. So bring it to boil. This is the perfect consistency we need for the sagu, and it is a really tasty recipe. And healthy and very easy to make and goes very well with chapati, roti, especially for poori. It is like a match made in heaven, I can say. So please do try this recipe and let me know how it came. And please don't forget to like, share and everyone, be happy, be healthy and be safe. Take care.